aftermath of a heavy downpour, we started at 5 a.m. This is Mararaba, an area that borders Abuja and Nasarawa states. A major population of workers in the nation's capital reside here. It is not a smooth journey when it rains.
It's been raining almost continuously for a week, and it's turned Mararaba into a living hell.
And these people who are occupying this area always pay tax because this is a business area of this state, of Nasarawa state, Mararaba here. And with all that they have been going through, the taxes they have been paying, yet nothing has been done about this road. You can see it's a terrible place. It's like a slum here in Nasarawa state called Mararaba.
Flooding remains one of the most devastating natural disasters, leading to loss of life and property, and Nigeria has not been spared.
It's bad. As you can see, I have to put my trousers just to prevent water from entering my feet. So it's terrible. It's terrible because they can't just be collecting tax like that and nothing is being done. At least they should look at the plight of the people. They should please come to our aid. We can't continue like this. We voted for a good government, all in the name of them doing the best. But look at what is happening.
As residents look at the destruction brought by flooding, their desperation is palpable. But they fear the worst is still to come as the rainy season continues. Residents believe government needs to look for lasting solution by improving planning and providing adequate infrastructure. March 2012, 32 out of Nigeria's 36 states were affected by flooding, and 24 affected states the flooding was severe. 300 lives were lost. Over 2 million people displaced. On August 3, 2019, Anthony Okecheme, a finance director at the FCT High Court, was swept away by heavy flood at Galadimawa Roundabout, Lokogoma district.
It's quite disheartening. I don't know if the government is actually doing anything about it, most especially this Mararaba AYA road.
As you can see it now, assuming all these potholes has been repaired, this hold up couldn't have been there. You understand? So if the federal government can do something to repair the potholes and all that, I think and I strongly believe there will be no hold up on this particular road.
The degree and seriousness of flooding in Nigeria rises and falls. It is believed that climate change is contributing to more storms and rainfall. Experts attribute 80% of flooding in Nigerian cities to rapid urbanization and poor planning. The emergence of slum areas, inadequate water supply, and poor waste disposal. Rootstv, Nigeria.